Hi guys, in this video we're gonna fix the issue of the brightness in this Lenovo X380 Yoga. This Lenovo, when I bought it, it was running Windows 10. I had no issue at all with it. It was working fine. But since I decided to upgrade it to Windows 11, I had the issue of the brightness. Let's see. If I tried now to increase the brightness, it doesn't work. And if I try to decrease it, it doesn't work also. Now let's fix it. So first, what causes this problem? This problem, it's caused by the drivers. So when you bought your computer, it comes with all the drivers needed. But since you format your hard drive and you install a new operating system like Windows 11, so you have some issues with the drivers, okay? And in my case, I had only the issues of drivers. So let's open Lenovo official website for drivers for this series of laptop. And let's try to install it and let's see if it's gonna work or not. Surely it's gonna work. So let's go ahead and install it. So if I open the browser, this is the official website of Lenovo drivers. They are asking here if I should accept all the necessary cookies or not. I'm gonna say no thank you. And here all the drivers that maybe you have the issue with. So in my case, I only have the issue with the brightness. So I'm gonna scroll a bit and I'm gonna choose display and the video graphics. Just click here. And now let's choose this Intel HD graphics driver. And here click download. Now let's wait for the driver until it's finished downloading.
2 hours later. 5 minutes later. 6.5 hours later.
Now the drivers has finished downloading, so let's install it. Gonna click on it. And let's click yes. And next. And for sure, let's accept the agreement. And next. And click on this install instead of, clicking on extract only. So if you clicked on extract, it's not gonna install. The driver just gonna, extract it on your disk. So choose install and click next. And now click install.
Two hours later.
it might take a while to install. As it's happening now, it took me a while. That's totally normal. Just wait until it finished extracting the file and, you know, done. And also your screen goes black for a while. That's totally normal because it's installing the display, the drivers, I mean the graphics. So that's fine if the screen goes black for a few minutes. Now, you know, the icons just become bigger, if you notice that. And yeah, it says that Intel HD graphics drivers installed successfully. So now we can click OK and we click finish. That's fine. The resolution, we can just change it from the settings later on. Now let's close this one too. And let's try the brightness. So if I click here and I increase the brightness, it is working. I don't know if the camera it's showing. I mean, it is working. So let's decrease it. Yeah. And that was everything. So it was easy, just a driver's issue. And also, if you have any kind of problems, I don't know, maybe the fingerprint or whatever, this site you're gonna find, I mean, all the necessary drivers, and you can just pick your drivers that, I mean, your machine missing. So here is a multiple ones, so framework, audio, BIOS, and Bluetooth, the camera, graphic, and so on. So in the description, you're gonna find the link of this website for Lenovo X380 Yoga, and also you're gonna find this the X390. So those series are near to each other, the same family, so you're gonna find them both. And if you have another, you know, Lenovo or other computer that you have in this problem of brightness, just search your model. I mean, for sure, the official drivers for your machine, and good luck with this. So guys, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.